girls, today you're talking about women's suffrage again. Today you're going to be doing a Webquest, which is something that you did with the Decibel already, except this time instead of using paper and pencil, we're going to do the Webquest on a Google form. So your Webquest website is right here, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to this website, where you're going to be able to read about the women's suffrage again. Make sure that you read all of the text features, because some of those questions are going to be within the either within the pictures or within the captions. So make sure that you're reading everything, all of those little bits and pieces. Let's see. Then you're going to want to do your Webquest. So you're going to make sure you put your name in there, and you're going to go ahead and answer the questions based off of what you read. So very similar to the Dust Bowl one that we did, except instead of doing it with your pencil, you're just going to click through and answer them on the Google Forms. There are about 20 questions. Some of them are multiple choice, some of them are write-in, and then you click submit when you're finished, and you're done. I hope you learned something new and interesting that you can share